Don't come close to me. I am your sister, and I am here to help you. If you do not come with me, you might never be able to get to the tree of honor. I know who you are. You are just a figment of my imagination. You are only here to hinder my journey, but I will not let you. You see me, yet you do not recognize me. Do you remember what our mother told you before she died? She said I was a twin, but I was the survivor. Exactly. I have been preparing for this day for you. This day was meant to be. I have been in this lonely forest waiting for you. Perhaps I might help you attain your destiny. I'm so sorry. Mother told me how she wanted to raise the both of us together. But after you left, she was heartbroken. And only became her consolation when she was born. Hold my hand, Ola. I will take you to the tree of honor. It lies in the heart of this forest. Hold my hand. Do not be afraid. I know you are doubting me, but it is really me.
What did you just say?
Whatever it is they were talking about, I do not know. But I did not like the fashion of which I saw both of them.
Tell me, what fashion did you see them in?
Can you imagine? You are sleeping. Ekenna, will you stand up from there? Ah! Ekenna! What is happening? Stand up, let's go! Ekenna! Ah! Hello! Chima! Who did this to me? Ekenna! Ekenna!
Na na-emekwa na iso ka ime ebe a kwa ebe a dịka mmiri na-achọ izu.
Can't you see that I'm trying?
Please be fast about it.
Jimmy, one more. What is happening? Hey, go.
Chimo! Ewo! Princess of Umapara! My princess! Ow! Chimo! My princess! Please save my son! Please! He died while we are...
Enough! Put him down.
Please.
You are lucky you brought him on time. If you had wasted any more time, his soul would have crossed.
Please do all you can to save my son. He's all I have. Please, I beg you. Please, priestess. Please, Bikono. Please. Oh.
It will cost you 7 rand. 7 goats, 3 pigeons, and 100 cows.
Is that all? Please, I'll do anything to save him. Please, I'll get them. Everything you ask of me, I'll get it. Please. It's all I have. Please, just do anything. I'll get them. Please.
His soul has been trapped by an unknown force.
Hey, Uchim.
I would have to travel beyond 7 seas and river to bring him back.
Please.
Go. But to make sure you come back by sunset with all I have asked of you.
I will do that. I will do everything asked of me. Let me go and get
it.
I will.
Do not waste time.
You mean I should
go?
My priestess, Bikono. I should go.
Go!
Okay, I'm going.
Priestess, my children, you will not die. Priestess, 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 priestess. Hey, my children. Oh, the great priestess of Umopala, please help me. Please help me. I find my children.
Enough! I see your things. I see the end from the beginning. Everything is naked to my eyes.
Please, I trust you, my priestess. Please help me. I trust you. I don't want them to die.
Their souls has been trapped in the womb of a deadly forest chimpanzee. I see an invisible chameleon in your household. They've started with these 2, and you are next if you don't do anything about it.
Please, priestess, what must I do? I don't want to die. Please help me, please.
I see death moving around your soul. It's about to end you if you do not act fast.
Then, my priestess, what must I do? I don't want my children to die.
Go! And come back with 11 white cockerel, 200 cowries, and 11 beautiful wrappers for Annie, the Mother Earth.
My priestess, I'm just a poor farmer. Where will I get all this from?
Beg, borrow, or buy.
But I don't have money to buy.
Then beg and borrow.
Neither do I have rich friends to borrow.
Enough! I see you're not ready. Go home and wait to die in the next 11 days. And by sunset, the soul of these 2 will be shared amongst the 11 beasts of the 11 evil forests.
No, my princess, no. My priestess, please, do what you can do to save them. I will go and sell my possession, please. Please.
Do not waste time. Do not waste time.
Ah, greetings, the great priestess of all time. Hey, Achaluga, look here, look here, look here, look here, look here, look here, look here. Ah, you can see the most beautiful lady in the midst of the goddess and the goddesses of all of this kingdom. Ah.
Father.
Your natural endowment alone is more than what every other goddess and goddesses possess.
Father,
Hey!
your words melt my heart.
My daughter, you deserve more than this. You are so beautiful that you single-handedly made me the richest man in the entire kingdom of Umuopara. Not only that, everyone in this community, they sing your praise. My beautiful daughter, their lips quiver. Once they see you, they share their thoughts of the wonders of your hands in their lives. Yes.
We shall continue to afflict them with infirmities. They shall continue to run to us. And I shall continue to make them pay dearly for their solutions. Father, we shall continue to be rich. We shall continue to prosper until we are prosperous.
My daughter, see, let me tell you. Let me reveal this as a secret to you. See, 500 cowries I sold from both the goats, pigeons, and even the new wrappers.
That's awesome.
Very, very awesome. We made huge amount of money. Just few market days that I went to sell all those items.
All thanks to my secrets.
What secret are you talking about?
I said to myself, why waiting for the villagers to fall sick before they can be brought to me? When I can make them come to me.
My daughter, so tell me, how did you do that?
Father, I cast a spell into the air and it journeys down the village and trap as many people as it can. Afflict them with sickness. And they have no other option than to be brought to me.
My daughter, that is very, very thoughtful of you. And I know what you can do. Hey!
Here is the ubi.
Thank you, my daughter.
You said there is something you want to tell me.
Yes, my daughter. Have you ever wondered why the gods brought you? You shall be a great healer because your hands are clean. You shall be a sort for evil among all in this neighborhood. The gods have ordained you for greatness, and greatness you will become.
Me?
I'm telling you.
Nay. Are you sure you know what you are saying?
Of course I do. You may not look like it now, but later all eyes shall look up to you. People will depend on you for survival because your type is uncommon and you are a healer and the priestess to come.
Nay. My mother was a healer, yet she died destitute. She was not even known in the kingdom.
Your mother was a good woman. She fulfilled her mission before she died. Mind you, greatness is not all about fame.
It is just me and my little sister. And I do not want to be known in the eyes of many people.
But you have been called to greatness, and that call you shall answer.
Nay, there is nothing like greatness in me. I am not even looking forward to it.
Don't underestimate yourself. You are born great, and great you shall become. Who told you there's no greatness in you? You are a great child.
Nay, you're sounding just like Onyi.
Greetings,
the great priestess of Umabara.
Greetings. What brings you here?
I have come with my son, which life is saved. And I have come with a goat, just to express my gratitude. He's fine now, he's okay. Thank you so much. The priestess.
Your son? Woman!
Yes, my priestess.
Your son?
Yes, my son. Yes.
Is Obanje.
Jim.
And he should be brought before fortnight. You are lucky you brought him here today. Else, he would have been dead.
Hey! My priestess, please help me. Please, I don't want to lose my son, no. I don't want to lose my son. Because, my only son, please.
You would have to go and come back with 50 cowries and an additional 5 he-goats and female goats.
Hey!
They mustn't be too young.
Please, priestess, is there any way we can reduce the items? I'm short of money. Oh, please.
Woman!
My priestess.
Sell your possession. Is life not more important than riches?
It is so.
And your son important than wealth? So go and be fast about it.
Why would do that?
Else you will lose your son. Go!
I don't want to lose my son. I don't want to lose my son. Chimo. I don't want to lose my son. I don't want to lose my son. I don't want to lose my son.
Go with him.
My priestess.
Make sure you do not waste time.
Okay,
go with him.
My priestess, maybe I should leave him here. Let me go and come, please.
Go with him.
I should go with him. Hey, Banje. Oh, Chimbo.
Yeah.
Were you watching?
I was over there just looking at it. But my question is this. Is her son truly possessed?
Papa, how would I know? I don't even know when I do see all of this. Hey!
You just come a piano. You? I know you. Make a you.
You are welcome to my palace, Priestess Ihuoma. My heart is filled with joy at the news of what you keep doing in the lives of our people. Many sicknesses you have healed. Many you have helped. And a host of benevolent gestures. I say thank you.
Your Majesty, your thanks has been received.
Guard!
Your Majesty.
My priestess, I personally invited you to celebrate you and to thank you for all the great things, your effort and commitment towards this kingdom. This is as a token of my appreciation to the gods.
This? Your Majesty. Just this? 5 bags?
Is it too much?
It's too little! Too small! You are the king of this kingdom. Please, stop acting like a peasant.
Please forgive me, my priestess. I will increase it to 50 bags.
It's fine. The gods will manage.
The gods will manage.
Of our land. I greet you.
Maisie, you should bow while greeting me.
Forgive my ignorance and insolence. I greet you, my priestess.
You bow with so much pride. I see it's not from your heart.
Of course it is. It is from my heart. But if you're not okay with it, I don't mind doing it again.
Traditionally, I would have asked you to do it again. But it's fine.
Thank you.
So you're really not going to bow again?
My priestess. Where are you going with the guard?
His Majesty, your father, invited me to the palace to thank me for my good deeds in this kingdom.
Indeed, you are doing great in this kingdom. I admire your works. Let me take it from here.
Who asked you to sit?
You do not want me to sit?
Of course you can. I was joking. Sit. Well, Thank you for taking over from the palace guard.
It is nothing. But you're welcome. Ihoma, I have always dreamt of spending good time with you. And I am happy it has finally come to pass.
I am the priestess. The priestess of the gods.
Can I be your prince or your priest? Whichever one you want.
You are the prince of this kingdom. Son of the great king Ekenma.
That is me.
Oli! You are not done. We need to start getting ready for the farm. I'm not. What is holding you? There's something I want to tell you. What is that?
I had a dream last night.
A dream? What dream?
This place was filled with people. And we were giving them solutions to their problem.
Me? What solutions?
Some were sick. Others were hungry. Many others were dying. And you brought them back to life, Ada. Lots of things happened. I was left in wonder where you got such powers from.
Me? I must fetch you some herbs. It looks like you are down with fever.
I'm not sick with fever, Ada. Maybe the gods have made you a healer.
Hey, we need to get ready for the farm. What are you saying? Go and finish up what you were doing.
Ada, I'm serious.
I know. Just go and finish them up. Are you sure I should not fetch you herbs?
No, I'm serious.
Snake bite me!
Sit down.
She's coming.
Sister! Hey! This is impressive. I love the way you both work.
Thank you, Ne. Me and my sister, we do this for a living.
Ezoku. Your hard work shall surely pay off. Oh?
You say...
Take this one. You take your own.
Ne, this is too much, oh.
Too much, Ikwa. If I have more, I'll give it to you both. Eh? You really, in fact, I'm impressed. Look at. No. You did a great job. Oh?
Thank you, Ne.
You're welcome. I'm so happy.
Oh, Mama.
Well, You be leaving back? Call the old. Subhadra. Bye bye. Oh, my. Oh, mama. Hey.
It's okay. Sorry. Princess Ola. Please come.
I am not a priestess.
Okay. I know you are a healer. Please, heal my son. He has been sick since yesterday with fever. Today, he has passed out twice.
I do not know how to heal fevers. Please take him to the priestess.
No, please. We know you are a healer. Help my son. Please.
Sister, help him. But I do not know how to.
You may not look like it now, but later all eyes shall look up to you. People will depend on you for survival because your type is uncommon and you are a healer and the priestess to come.
Please take him to the mat over there.
Okay, thank you. It's okay. It's alright, my son. It's alright. It's alright. Sorry.
Ola, do you know what you are doing?
I saw mother do this when she wanted to heal someone with fever. I don't know if I'm right about the process though.
Are you sure you are getting it right?
I did not think I was getting it right when we healed the man that was eaten by a snake.
I believe you. And I'm proud of you.
Proud of me?
Yes. Perhaps you are in line with your destiny.
Oni, don't be ridiculous.
Oledo the healer.
Yes.
My son. He's awake. He's awake. Ne? Thank you very much.
But I'm fine now.
Yes, you are. You are. Thank God. Yes. Okay. Wait.
Press some more.
Priestess,
Thank you.
please take this as a sign of appreciation for what you have done for me.
No, Nani. It is the gods that heal, not me.
Please don't reject it. Remember, last time you healed me when I had a serious snake bite. You didn't take anything. And now you have healed my son. Yet, you will not take anything. Please, don't refuse it.
Nani, I am not refusing it. But I simply cannot take credit for what the gods do through me. Please, Nani.
Okay. May the gods bless you.
They say.
Richly.
Your son is fit to go now.
Yes, nah. Thank you. Thank you.
Amen.
May the gods bless you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Nah.
I'm fine.
You're okay now. You won't be sick. Let's go. Yeah. Thank you. My boy. You okay now?
Nne, you need to see how they begged my sister to take this money. But she refused to take it.
I did not heal them to take anything from them. Besides, I am not even a healer.
You will not be wrong if you collect anything from anybody. You did not force it from them. They gave you from their willing mind. So you accept it.
It's not even about what they give me anymore. All of a sudden, I feel like I can do more now.
Of course you can. You are destined for this. You must rewrite the story of Umukbara. And you have been destined to be what the gods have assigned you to be.
Father, I tied 3 goats at my shrine.
No,
And I can't see them anymore.
my daughter, they are not there. I took them.
You took them?
I'm just coming back from the market where I went to sell them.
Father, you sold them?
Why are you screaming? Why?
Those goats were not meant to be sold. They're not for sale.
My daughter, we have had enough goats. Besides, I am out of cowries and
Father, you're out of cowries. 3 days ago, I gave you 150 cowries. What did you do with it?
So are you now questioning me? No, bring down your hand. Are you questioning me?
You're throwing money. You're wasting it. And I don't like it.
No, my daughter, listen. Whatever thing we need, be it items or money, you are the priestess. You know how to get it. Why are you screaming? Why are you questioning me?
My priestess, what brings you to my palace? I am highly honored.
Your Majesty, the fruitful days are here. The gods are still going to unleash the bounty. It's getting closer to that time when our barns shall be filled with plenty and our van with wine.
This is good news.
In as much as it is, I also see evil coming.
Evil?
7 years of famine, pestilence, and hunger.
May the gods forbid it. The evil days must never be allowed to come forth.
Then we must act fast.
What must we do to avert this? Tell me, and it is done.
We will be needing 7 good-looking cows, 50 male and female goats, 50 pigeons, and 1,000 bags of cowries.
Gods of my ancestors! 1,000 bags of cowries?
Your Majesty, why are you screaming?
Even the gods have not blessed us with such. Where do they expect us to get it from?
Then the kingdom should get ready for the devastating moment of all time. People will die out of hunger. Animals will feed on humans to survive. This is the kind of pestilence that will befall this land.
The items shall be bought. I hope you have enough room to store them in your hearth. It is the meal of our ancestors. The gods are capable of eating that which they have asked for. $1,000 bags of cowries? How?
My beautiful daughter. Hey!
Father,
Eh?
you needed to be there to see the way the king was quaking.
But I told you, you have all the power to make us stay rich for the rest of our life.
Father, you're right.
Yes. Well, I have to be on my way. I have to be going now because I need to go to the market to sell those goods.
Goats? Someone brought goats for me.
But she said that you told her to come along with 3 female goats.
Okay. So where are the goats?
Which goats? You expect the goat to be around here by now? They're already in the market now.
But father,
okay.
You would have at least allowed me come back and see the goats.
To do what? So that are we going to give the goat to drink or quiet shock or what? Stop all that. Just stop it. What is there is that I have to be going now. But you have forgotten that the king said that it's coming with a heart for you. What are you going to do with goats when they're bringing a heart for you? Can I see your smiling face? Let me not waste time. I have to be on my way. Bachabuiru. I have to go.
What are you doing here?
You must desist from your wickedness or you risk the wrath of the ancestors.
How dare you? How dare you come all the way from Ikedieze to my land to challenge me? You stepped your foot in my terrain to threaten me.
Ọ na-abụ nwatachi wọrọ ibi ose weta mmanụ ka faji wee taa akwụ. Ebe ọ makwa na akwụ bụ mmanụ. You own nothing. You are a liar and a deceiver.
Leave now before I crush you in bits.
Balota bụ nnukwu aṅala ọ bụla onugbo nwere onye na-anwa anwa dị ọnụ. Egwu adị atọ abụ obulu ụzọ. I shall be back in due time.
Why are you running? Come and fight me, you weakling! Come and fight!
Take this. Boil it and drink the water every morning and at night before you go to sleep.
Thank you so much, Princess Ola.
No, Ne. Just call me Ola.
You are the true healer of our land. Ever since you started giving me this treatment, I've been sleeping at night like a baby. I thank the gods for using you to heal me. Unlike before, I don't sleep at night. It's either heavier or painful and restless.
Ne.
But today, I'm standing before you to say, thank you, my daughter. May the gods of our land continue to bless you.
May the gods bless everything that concerns you.
Thank you very much, my daughter. Please have this.
Oh no, Ne. I cannot take money or credit for what the gods did.
Please don't reject it, my daughter.
Ne, I am not rejecting it. I am simply asking you to keep it, for you will need it to do something important later.
Thank you, my daughter. I shall have my leave now.
Thank you, Ne. Ne, walk small.
Thank you, my daughter.
Daughter of the morning.
Not now, Father.
What troubles you, my daughter?
There is another priestess in Umuokpara. She heals, gives, and does things for the people.
What? Who dare touch the tail of a tigress? Does she want to die?
I will not be silent about this.
My daughter, you will not. You will not be silent this time around. You must teach her the bitter lesson of her life. That's what we do, and you will have to do it without delay.
I know you, daughter of darkness.
I give you 4 market days. 4 market days to stop whatever thing you are doing. Else, you will dance to the rhythm of my anger. I shall come upon you like the disaster of life. I shall ruin you, and no one will find a trace of you. I shall destroy you.
You are a daughter of darkness, and soon your reign will be remembered by no one. She knew. She showed me my destiny. And she came free. Rest on the neck. May the gods be with you. And I promise to take up the fight from here.
How would she have died? Who killed Ine? How did Ine Ogechi die?
I must not speak of this.
Sister. Sister, tell me, please. Sister, please tell me. Sister, please. Please tell me. Who killed Ine? Please tell me. Sister, please.
I thought you stopped coming to see me because you've given your heart to someone else.
Ivoma, you and I are friends. If my heart goes to someone, you shall be the first to know.
I don't want your heart going to anyone. Unless you want me to be a murderer.
Ihuma, you will kill the one I shall give my heart to?
That is because your heart belongs to me.
My priestess, lot of rumors going around the village. Lot of talks and gossips. Have the gods abandoned us? Where are all the things that they have promised us?
Patience. My king. Patience. Do not allow the people weigh you down.
But I am the king. I give them my word.
Your word and not the word from the gods. Hold your peace and allow the gods to do that which only they can do in this kingdom.
But this is beginning to overlinger. And this is almost the reverse of what you told us. What is going on?
Manipulation. The gods cannot be manipulated. But I think there is a way we can communicate our urgency to them. Just one way.
How do you mean?
Sacrifice. We need more sacrifices. That's the only way we can communicate our urgency to them. And they will hear our cry once more.
But the gods are not oblivious to our ordeal. I do not think they can be cajoled into doing that which they have promised us.
My king, I shall be needing 7 bulls and 7 cows to appease the urgency of whatsoever sin we have committed that may have fried their attention towards us.
Whatever it takes, we shall offer them. But the gods need to send answers.
My father is so worried.
Tell the king to stop getting worried for nothing. He should rest, because the gods will surely do that which they have promised.
Ihoma, I shall be coming to visit you tomorrow. And I hope you'll be free to receive me.
I shall await your visit. Please, remind the king to do that which the gods have said.
My king, that woman is truly a handmaiden of the Lord. I am a witness. What are you insinuating? Bosondo, tell me, what are you insinuating? Are you now telling me that my daughter, my own daughter, is fake?
I never said anything like that. But that young maiden healed my son. Perhaps we can consult the gods through her.
That is nonsense, arrant nonsense. Your Majesty, we are not going to consult with any strange priestess. They are against the wish of the gods. Instead, we have to be extremely careful to avoid inviting the wrath of the gods.
I quite agree with you, Ikuku.
Uh-huh.
But we do not know the priestess you talked about. If not, I would have inquired on the gods she called upon.
My king, truly I may not know the god she calls upon. But all I know for sure is that she healed my son. And once I was bitten by a venomous snake. She brought me back to life.
We shall not engage the service of a strange priestess and risk the wrath of the gods.
I've said it all.
My prince! My prince! Hey! Help! Help! Somebody help!
What is going on?
Do not dare lay your hand on the prince of Umobala.
The situation is bad. If I don't, he may die. Help me, let us take him to my hut.
Alright.
Are you sure it will work?
Let's just wait a little longer. My prince. No, do not get up. No, please.
What am I doing here? Where am I?
You had a situation, and I brought you here to heal you.
She's been polite, my prince. She actually brought you back to life.
Please, I want to go home.
No, you must rest.
No. My father will be looking for me. I need to go.
Okay, then I'll take you. You cannot walk on your own. Let's help you up.
Young maiden, what is your name?
My name is Oledo.
Who are your parents? And where did you learn this whole thing?
My father died before I could talk. My mother raised my sister and me. She was an unnoticed healer.
You healed my son. He has been like this since the day he was born. Sometimes he throws him into fire, and other times he throws him into water.
Worry no more, my king. With what I have given him, the prince might never suffer this ailment again.
Thank you. May the gods keep protecting you and guide you.
He say, I shall leave now. Here, boil this and drink the water morning, noon and night. Then you can come back for another one when it runs out. Thank you. Yeah.
Do not bother. She won't take it.
All my sister means is that we treat people for free. You must be one of the gods. I am not. I am just a messenger of the gods.
Okay, thank you. I'll be leaving. Thank you.
My prince. Princess, we did not see or hear you coming.
priestess or lady. So it is true.
What is true?
I have heard so much about you. I heard you heal people for free.
Oh. We are not just concerned about money. The health of the people, what more than calories to us?
I love the sound of that. You are indeed a good priestess.
Oh no, I am not a priestess. I am just Ola.
Ola. Your sister?
Yes, my prince. We've heard a lot about you too, and we are glad to...
My father have spoken so much about you since you last visited the palace.
The king is kind-hearted.
The king has been worried. He has been worried about the state of the kingdom.
What about it?
The hunger, the hardship. I mean, you know what has been going on in this kingdom.
Yes, I'm aware.
In all of this, Priestess Ihuoma, who is supposed to be the hope of the kingdom, she had made ceaseless sacrifices to the gods. Yet, nothing changed.
Sacrifices?
Yes. She has taken the lord from the royal house to sacrifice to the gods.
So, why haven't the gods sent their blessings?
I do not know. It baffles my father the most.
Maybe the gods are not aware of what the kingdom suffers.
How do you mean? I just hope everything will be fine.
Of course. It only gets better.
Sure.
Daughter, I want to speak with you immediately.
Not now, father. I'm in the midst of something.
It is very urgent and you must give me your ear.
Father, not now.
Well, I saw the prince with the other priestess.
Father, what did you just say?
Whatever it is they were talking about, I do not know. But I did not like the fashion of which I saw both of them.
Tell me, what fashion did you see them in?
My prince, the priestess requests to see you.
Where is she?
Outside the palace.
Priestess Ihuoma, you sent for me.
What were you doing with her?
Doing with who?
What were you doing with that evil priestess?
Evil priestess. She healed me. You did not hear about my situation?
I did. If you were brought to my place, I would have saved you. By the way, you never told me you had it.
The king would prefer this stays a secret of the royal house.
I do not want to see you close to her again.
Priestess Ijoma, you have no right to tell me what to see.
I demand! I do not want to ever see you close to her again.
And let me inform you that you do not have any right to demand anything of me. For your information, you and I were never in a team together. So, do not make any demand of me again.
How dare you? Maisie, where are you going to? Come back here! Come back here! I'm not done with you!
What do you want to do to him? Do you want to make him run mad? Hey. Do you want his convulsing worse? Hey. Maybe you should make him a cripple.
Your Majesty, the prince.
What happened to him?
Please come. Come.
Apia.
What happened to my son? What happened to him? Is he dead?
Your Majesty, I met him like this.
Is he dead?
I don't know.
Your Majesty, what happened to our prince?
This is how I met him.
No, it cannot be. My prince! My prince! My prince!
Hokra, kiyota hokra. Iyota hakra hu odu aka hene gi. Igwe, it is unfortunate that evil have taken over Umuokpara.
What are you talking about? What manner of evil has come upon the prince of Umuokpara?
Your Majesty, I see the prince died in the deadly forest of On.
Impossible. How?
But how could that be possible? No, how possible could that be?
The On leaf is in the heart of the forest and must be plucked and brought back as soon as possible. Maka hokra, kiyota hokra. Oyotra hokra ahodo aka ahiri ehe.
Listen, Mom. You cannot live without a word.
Balota bu n'ukwu angala. Obulu onugbu. Onwulu na anwa anwa di onu. Ade eje nya ahụ eje.
Oh,
Your Majesty. Hey!
it's a good.
My daughter, the king invited a digger from Ikediese.
What did he say?
He told the king that the soul of the prince is tied in the deep forest of Onu, and the leaf must be brought back as soon as possible.
And what has the king done about it?
He has already dislodged his guards into the forest of Onu.
None of them will come back alive.
Yes. No mortal invests the forest of Onu and comes back alive. But, my daughter, if I may ask, how did you make it happen?
You do not have to worry, father. I have everything in my hands. When all effort fails and all hope is lost, I will be the only hope of the king. I shall heal the prince and he will marry me. And then I will become the queen of this kingdom.
My daughter, you can say that again. That is exactly what I want to see happen. Huh? Your Majesty, it is no longer news that the young men sent into the forest of Onu shall never return. For no mortal has ever journeyed into the forest of Onu and come back alive.
Ikuku, what would you have me do?
I will suggest we wait. Perhaps these young men are on their way.
Yeah, Osondo. Wait, did I hear you say wait? When the life of the prince is at stake? Ha! Your Majesty, something needs to be done. For delay is dangerous.
Something like what? We do not have to be in a haste.
Read the handwriting boldly written on the wall. They are dead and they are dead. There's no two ways about it. As a matter of urgency, Your Majesty, something needs to be done and be done fast.
So what must we do?
You're asking me what we do. I said it before. From the beginning, I said it. It was needless bringing another Dibia from Ikediese.
Vultures! Vultures are grateful to the gods, keeping the elderly ones alive to remind the younger generations that their meats are not for delicacies.
Ekenma, we don't have time anymore. Are the men on their way? Ekenma, say something.
The young men are dead.
I said it. I said it from the beginning, but you wouldn't listen. Your Majesty, as it stands now, there's no solution. That we need to consult the princess, my daughter. Maybe she might have something to do.
The solution lies in the air. The soul of the prince shall be returned by the hand that tied him, or the hand of the one whom he truly loves.
Ekenma, but I do not know any of these people. How do we identify them?
Ọsọsọ anụ ji eze arị enu ma osisi na-atọ ụtọ na nke na-akụ inu. Ọ na-abụ nwaanyị chi ghọrọ ibi ọsọ weta mmanụ ka faji wee taa akwụ ebe ọ makwa na akwụ bụ mmanụ. I have delivered the message of the gods.
Sister, I must tell you something. The king has summoned Ekenma and I to the palace to tell us about the prince's house.
How did you know about that?
This is my destiny. Remember? You and Nnogechi told me that.
I remember. Perhaps that time is now.
This is what we have been confronted with. The prince's soul must be untied and brought back, lest he dies.
My king, I knew you were going to ask for my input after cutting me out. 7 days. I shall take 7 days to prepare. And on the 7th day, I will begin my journey to Onwu forest. There, I shall untie the soul of the prince and bring it back. But my king, when I return, the prince will be my husband. That is what the gods said.
Go. You have my permission and my support for whatever you ask for. We shall do as the gods have decreed.
I'll be back.
Do not come close. Listen and give heed to the counsel of your mother. The time you have waited is on you. On this mission, you must not fail. No distraction. Focus on your goal. That is what you should be focused on. Nothing in the forest of Onwu is real. You shall be lured, do not heed. You shall be tempted, do not fall. You shall be hungry, every food here leads to death. You shall be tasty, every drink here leads to destruction. One thing that will keep you away from the goal shall be confusion. Do not give in. Every road that leads to your destiny has already been carefully carved out. Through the horizon of your mind, hold still. See it through the eyes of your heart, and it shall be clearer on the outside. You shall neither drink nor eat. Every food leads to death, and every water leads to destruction. My daughter, I know you are hungry, and I brought you food to eat for the journey ahead.
Nne, is this you? Nne, is this you? Thank you.
Nothing in the forest of Onwu is real. You shall be lured, do not heed. You shall be tempted, do not fall.
You are not real! You are not real! Go away from me!
I have the leave. And I think you should take it.
Why?
Why? He loves you. And not me. And I have realized there is nothing I can do to change his mind. Taking this leave to the kingdom will be of no use, because his heart is not with me. Take, heal him, and please be a good wife to him. Take.
Nothing in the forest of Onwu is real. You shall be lured, do not heed. You shall be tempted, do not fall. You shall be hungry. Every food here leads to death.
Take.
I know you are not what you seem. You are my hindrance and distraction. But I will not let you be my hindrance nor my distraction. Go back! Don't come close to me. I am your sister, and I am here to help you. If you do not come with me, you might never be able to get to the tree of honor. I know who you are. You are just a figment of my imagination. You are only here to hinder my journey, but I will not let you. You see me, yet you do not recognize me. Do you remember what our mother told you before she died? She said I was a twin, but I was the survivor. Exactly. I have been preparing for this day for you. This day was meant to be. I have been in this lonely forest waiting for you. Perhaps I might help you attain your destiny. I'm so sorry. Mother told me how she wanted to raise the both of us together. But after you left, she was heartbroken. And only became her consolation when she was born. Hold my hand, Ola. I will take you to the tree of Onwo. It lies in the heart of this forest. Hold my hand. Do not be afraid. I know you are doubting me, but it is really me.
Nothing in the forest of Onwu is real. You shall be lured, do not heed. You shall be tempted, do not fall. You shall be hungry. Every food here leads to death.
Stay away from me! I know you are not real. Because if you wanted to help, you wouldn't have left in the first place. Go back to where you're coming from! The tree. The tree. The tree of all.
Hi.
Father.
Daughter.
What is it?
I am very worried.
You're worried?
Yes.
About what?
About this prince thing. My question is this. What if you did not succeed?
Father! Watch your tongue. Do you want me to strike you with leprosy for speaking vile against me?
No. Wait. I say so because, look, the odds surrounding all these things. It's a proof that you might not succeed. Something is wrong somewhere.
Father, put your fear at ease. I'm in charge of everything. I'm in control. I know exactly what I'm doing.
I never doubted you for one day. But as these things are going, honestly, I'm afraid.
Worry not, Father.
Gods of our ancestors, 7 days are gone into the womb of time. Yet Ola is not here. I thought it was our destiny. We all thought so. Has our destiny now been aborted? Does that not make the gods liars like men? Gods of our ancestors, please bring her back home. Please bring her back home. Please.
Finally, the one on whose shoulders the burden of Umopara has finally arrived. My daughter, you're welcome. You're welcome. Hey.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Priestess Hioma, remember, the life and the future of this kingdom depends on you. Also, the life and the future of the prince depends on you. We shall await your return.
Your Majesty, I shall go and return with the soul of our prince.
Go, priestess. The gods shall take you there. They shall not allow you dash your foot against a stone. Now go.
I have the leaf of life from the forest of Oru.
Impossible!
She's lying!
Your Majesty, this maiden is lying to us. She lied to us before. Now, how do you think she's telling us the truth now?
I believe her. She saved his life before, and she can do it again.
Your Majesty, the leaf of Omu can only be gotten in the heart of the forest of Omu. How did she get it?
Hola, please tell us, how did you get it?
When we were summoned before you, and Priestess Ehoma requested 7 days to prepare, I set out on the journey.
Liar. Who asked you? How were you able to return? Your Majesty, do not believe the lies of this evil priestess.
We will see who is evil. Majesty, may I be taken to where the prince is?
Do not believe her. She's fake, Your Majesty.
I'd rather take the chances.
Your Majesty, she's lying. She's lying. We cannot believe her. She has been deceiving us before. Do you think that she's telling us the truth now to the detriment of the prince? How, Your Highness?
Guard!
Your Majesty.
Take her to the prince's hut.
Father, it's okay. When she's done fooling everybody, they will come back to me. Because I alone has the cure to the prince's illness.
I'm sure, but... My daughter, see, if she succeeds, that will be the end of the road for us.
Father! Keep your negative words to yourself. Else, I will strike you with blindness.
We need to see the Ezenwany as soon as possible. Greetings, Ezenwany.
Ezenwany, greetings. Please tell me how? How was she able to invade the forest of On and come back alive?
This is the battle of your destiny. If you lose everything. You must not lose!
How? What must I do?
The solution is in your hands. Go and get it done!
The solution in your hands.
My son, you are back.
Father.
Thank the gods. Ola, you are indeed the priestess who was to come. Thank you. You are the savior of this kingdom. And in 3 days, we shall prepare, and my son shall have you for a wife. My son.
Father.
Tomorrow is going to be the happiest day in your life.
Of course.
In fact, I cannot wait for the marriage to come. Ola, my son, behold the woman of your dream.
I must tell you something, my king.
Is everything all right? My dear, I'm all ears. Whatever that troubles you, I can fix it. Remember, tomorrow you are getting married to my son.
I will not be able to marry the prince.
Why? What is it? Have I done something wrong? Why, my love?
That is because I shall not live to see tomorrow.
What?
Do not touch the tree of life. The tree of life must not be touched. Even a leaf of it must not be removed. Go back now.
Oh, voice of the ancestors, please, do not let me go back empty-handed. I have come all the way from Umopara kingdom to save the life of the prince of my kingdom.
If you must take from the leaf of the tree of life, then I shall put you to a test. If you succeed, you shall make a life decision.
Okay, I agree.
First, what animal walks on 4 feet in the morning, 2 feet in the afternoon, and 3 in the evening?
Oh, voice of the ancestors, how am I to know the riddle of the gods? Oh wait, I think I do. Man. It is a man. As a child, he walks on 4 feet. As a grown man, he walks on 2 feet. And when he's old and tired, he walks on 3 feet with the aid of a walking stick.
You are truly an arm of the gods revealed to humanity. Now, you must make a life decision. You cannot take a leaf from the tree of life
without an exchange of life. You shall choose one person. Tell me the name of the person, and they shall be for an exchange of the leaf of life. For life to be given, life must be taken.
Voice of the ancestors. I just came all the way from Umabara to save the priest of my kingdom. I cannot give any life. I do not have any life to give in exchange. Please.
But you have a sister.
Never! No! No harm must come to my sister. She's the only one I have. I'd rather give my life instead.
Your life, it shall be then. You may pluck a leaf from the tree of life.
You mean you gave your life in exchange to save my son?
I love him so much.
And I love you too. I am the man who is supposed to look after you. I am the man who is supposed to give his life for you. What sense does it make losing you because of me and living without you? My love, my world is going to crumble.
If you love me like you say you do, then you must do something for me.
Say it. Anything. I swear by the gods, it shall be done.
Are you sure?
Just say it, and it shall be done.
I want to spend my entire life with you. But I know our ways cannot superintend over the ways of the gods. And my heart will continue to beat for you even in death. And that is why it will please me for you to take the only one I have left in this entire world.
What are you talking about?
If you love me like you say you do, may it please you to take my younger sister for a wife.
What?
I always thought of me being there with you when you get married to the man you love. I never imagined I would be the one to eat the fruit of your labor.
Do not say it that way, my beloved sister. The prince is a good man, and he will love you like he would do to me. And I know that when he looks into your eyes, he would see me there.
There is no way I will allow you take my place.
Three cows, 2 goats, 3 rams. 3 cows, 2 goats, 3 rams. 3 cows, 2 goats.
Igwe! Igwe!
Your Majesty. Aku. Hey, Aku. Your Majesty. Your Majesty. Please, forgive me, Your Majesty.
Oh no.
Forgive me. Please, fire.
Oh no, what is it?
I will confess. I will confess.
Confess.
I will confess. I will confess. Your Majesty. I will confess. Fire.
Confess to what?
This too much. Ezewai, I want you to make my daughter very powerful. Yes. I want you to make her the next priestess of Umuopara. Yes. You will do it in a way that no one stands in her way.
But she's not to be the priestess of the land.
I don't care. I will do whatever thing it will take for her to be the new priestess.
Are you sure you are ready for this?
Ezewai, I am sure that I'm ever ready. Mbo, are you not ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
We are ready. Hey, Your Majesty. Hey.
Guards! Guards!
Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
Cast his body into the evil forest now.
Your Majesty.
My heart is filled with joy, and I am overwhelmed that our land has been cleansed. The evil is gone, and the shame has been wiped off our faces. Now we can smile. But all are the good priestess who saved our land shall in one way or the other be mentioned in the history of our land.
Exactly.
This story shall go from generation to generation. She laid down her life to save our dear land. It is with our desire that our younger sister, Onyi, be joined with Prince Mezier. It is our greatest joy that we honor our desire as we are planning to crown the prince, king in waiting. Also, we shall be planning to crown Onyi the queen in waiting. Celebration begins.
Wenu!